Gonna come back. Canada watch them to the top side. Here comes Brazil. At the end, it's match coming. Into the octagon they go. The U.S. has 1 fall. Spain has 2 fall. Indonesia put in 1. Indonesia put in a 5, and they win the tournament. Through the 2. A lot of go. Oh my goodness! A lot down the blue. They scored 3. Almost knocked them all down, but it's a 9. Took away 1 for Brazil. We go again. Try number 2. Who takes it this time? Brazil down the middle. That's all they need. From left to right, right down the middle of the board, and Brazil wins it.